My name's Lara. I started Active Life the end of October last year. I was doing regular personal training and coaching CrossFit. I was helping my clients improve on their movement, but often I could spot the problem, but I couldn't really come up with the right solution, and that was very frustrating to me because I really wanted to help those people, but I felt like I wasn't qualified. So I had started following Active Life on Instagram, and it just, because I already had a whole list of certifications that I wanted to get or courses that I was interested in, but none of them covered everything, and none of them were seemed to click. And the more content I saw from Active Life, the more I was like, this is exactly what I'm looking for. But then at the same time, it almost sounded like too good to be true. So then I replied to one of the stories on her Instagram, and someone reached out. I've been able to spot problems even better, and now instead of just seeing the problem and feeling helpless, I can now actually help people work through that problem, or that are in pain, want to get out of pain, or are pain-free but want to stay injury-free. So one of my two clients are 13 and 15-year-old high-end hockey athletes. I mainly really want to help the girl because I know that girls are way more likely to tear their ACLs. I tore both my ACLs. I did not know the difference between girls and boys. So that's why I want to keep athletes injury-free, and I don't want to exclude people that are not necessarily injured or in pain. Now I feel like I do have the skill set to help those people. And even if I'm not 100% confident that I can do it right this second, I know that I have the backup to help the people get there. My hourly rate has definitely increased. I used to charge $80 an hour Canadian. I'm up to 120 now, which first was very, very uncomfortable. But now I'm even the thought of increasing it maybe to 130 and working up to 150, it sounds feasible. So I kind of compare the old me with the new me, and it's I can do so much more now. So it's just, yeah, it makes sense. My name's Lara. I've been with Active Life since October last year.